One candidate secured an offer for every single job she applied for, despite having only 6 months of professional experience. She achieved this by shifting her focus from simply submitting applications to executing the job's actual tasks before she even had the role. Most applicants never reach this stage. 99% rely on a spray and pray method, submitting identical, generic resumes to hundreds of companies and hoping one gets noticed. This chart shows the sequential mediation effects of a proactive personality on career success. Meta-analytic data demonstrates a clear positive correlation between proactive behavior and task performance, which leads directly to higher salaries and more frequent promotions. To trigger this result during the hiring process, you need to build a proactive pitch package. Preparing this highly targeted package distinguishes you from the passive applicants. It demonstrates that you are already functioning as an asset to the company, rather than a resume waiting to be screened. Step 1 is gathering your materials. You will need a specific target job description, assets from your past work, and a digital creation tool. First, scan the job description and isolate core requirements. Highlight phrases like B2B sales or agile workflows and move them into a blank document. 67% of decision makers explicitly want customized responses to these requirements. Turn these points into a working checklist. Now we draft a problem solver cover letter. Using your checklist, write short, direct responses mapping your experience to each requirement. Avoid generic buzzwords. Claims like "I am a hard worker" provide no evidence to the hiring manager, signaling a lack of specific insight. A generic letter on the left is easily ignored. A letter that addresses the checklist on the right survives because it speaks directly to the job's daily responsibilities. If you lack a specific skill, do not hide the gap. Propose a plan outlining exactly how you will learn it within your first month. Explicitly mapping your cover letter to the job ad proves you have comprehended the company's immediate pain points and possess the initiative to address them. Next, we structure your portfolio. Listing achievements without the surrounding context often fails to show how your skills translate to different environments. To fix this, use a 3-part framework for every item: the challenge, the approach, and the outcome. Review your past work and curate just 2 or 3 case studies using this structure. Any more can overwhelm a reviewer during the initial screening. A contextual case study leads with a bold headline, describes the specific situation, includes a high-quality image of the work, and ends with a clear outcome metric. To build social proof, add a brief testimonial from a colleague or client directly beneath those metrics. Describing the problemscape, such as working with tight budgets or understaffed teams, proves you can adapt to real-world challenges rather than just following a technical manual. The final element of the package is a custom mock-up. Create a mini project that solves a specific problem for the company, operating as if you already hold the position. Keep this narrow to avoid becoming overwhelmed. Focus on 3 sample Instagram posts, a 1-page strategy document, or a single code snippet. Use a design tool to apply the target company's branding. Match their specific colors and logo so the work looks like an internal company document. Once your mock-up is ready, package everything together with a personalized video pitch. Capture a 2-minute walkthrough of your mock-up and curated portfolio using a screen recording tool. Use the video to introduce yourself and explicitly state why you are interested in this specific organization. Your presentation should occupy the main screen, with your face visible in a circular presenter bubble in the corner. A custom mock-up shifts the evaluation from "can they do this job" to a demonstration of the work you are already producing for them. Your completed proactive pitch package is now a single digital link containing your targeted letter, contextual portfolio, and custom mock-up. Building this requires significantly more effort than clicking a standard easy apply button and watching your generic resume blow away. However, in a saturated market, that effort creates a distinction that generic submissions cannot match. Focusing on the quality of your outreach consistently outperforms sheer volume when it comes to securing job interviews. Dedicating deep effort to a single, targeted pitch provides a level of proof that bypasses the noise of automated filters. It is a methodical way to land directly in the hiring manager's yes pile.